Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make your own plasma scope using a high frequency generator. Check this out. All I'm using for this investigation is my high frequency generator called an Uten coil, a rubber stopper with a screw through it, a flask, and a vacuum pump. We want to use these items to create our own plasma scope. This is made possible when you have low gas pressure and high voltage. Maybe we can make one of these of our own. Let's find out. The first step is to screw a bolt through a rubber stopper. That way you can run high voltage from the top of the bolt into the flask and create low gas pressure with your vacuum pump. So in this first test, I'm just going to use the Uten coil to touch the bolt on top of the stopper. But without my vacuum pump on, I haven't reduced the gas pressure inside the flask, and I don't have a plasma scope. Wonder what'll happen if I turn that vacuum pump on. So now we're gonna try it with the vacuum pump on. Check it out. We've created our own plasma scope. That is amazing. By reducing that gas pressure and introducing high voltage from the Uten coil, that voltage actually strips the electrons right off their atoms until you have an ionized gas inside the flask. That's what plasma is. Just absolutely amazing. A homemade plasma scope. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.